Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare tricolor puris. I have tried in this way because due to pandemic kids cannot go to school and they could not celebrate Independence Day. So as mothers it's our duty to educate our children. So as mothers it's our talent to show in cooking itself. So I tried in this way and tried to explain the importance of Independence Day and the fight that our fighters have fought for, so that we are in this good situation now. So let us see how to prepare. So this is what I have taken: 3 cups of maida, equal portions of all purpose flour or maida, and I have added orange color into 1 cup of maida, a little bit, and then green color into 1, and I have left the other normal white color, and I have added pinch of salt to taste in all the 3 bowls of maida, and I have started mixing well the dry ingredients. See, do not mix the colored ones with the white one. So instead you take a new spoon or otherwise reverse it and then stir it so that salt is mixed well, and later make it into a chapati dough. See, my dough is ready, saffron, green and white. So now take a lump of maida that is white color. So gradually you can do the remaining also. So make small balls as the size of amla, see, like this, and then all my puri balls are ready. Now see, you have to put in this order saffron, white and green as I have shown here, and then start spreading it into a dumbbell shape or spread it nicely like this and put it closer, and then just press it nicely, dab it gently on top of it so that all the 3 maida balls will mix properly. Now dust it with maida flour and then start rolling with the help of rolling pin as I have shown here. Gently you do it, do not hard press it. If your puris become thinner, that will become like papads only. So remember, your puri dough should be a little bit thicker. So to get a round shape, I have taken a sharp edged bowl and then I have pressed it gently on top of it, and then see, my tricolor puri is ready. See, such a vibrant color it is. A big thank you and salute to Pingali Venkaya Garu, who have designed us and given us the pride of our nation, this national flag. So I have prepared all the dough in the same way, and then I have taken a kadai and added oil that is sufficient for deep fry. And once the oil is heated, I have dropped this puri into it, and then see, it's so fluffy and it's bulged. So what I do is, once I drop the puri into it, I spread the oil on top of it so that the lower part it's obviously drenched in oil. On this upper one I spread it so that it will become fluffier. See, this is what puris are. Kids truly love this. So you repeat in the same manner with the number of puris you prepared already, and then that's it. Serve it hot to your loved ones. Serve it with obviously our all-time favorite potato curry. If you don't have time, you can serve it with ketchup or even sugar also. Kids love to have it with sugar. See how fluffy and how nice it is. So you too try this and let me know how it turned to you. Happy Independence Day! Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. We have entered August, that is, we have entered the season of independence. This Independence Day, enjoy the freedom by having this sweet dish. You can treat your colleagues or friends or your community in the apartment and enjoy this Independence Day. You can also prepare Tricolor Puri and Tricolor cupcakes. The link I have given in the description, go and check out. For Tricolorrava Kesari, we need 3 cups of suji or semolina or Bombay rava, because we are going to prepare 3 different layers, that is the flag color, saffron, white and green. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add only 1 cup of suji or semolina and allow it to turn till golden brown color. Now once it turns golden brown color, put it aside. Take another bowl and add 2.5 or 3 cups of water and give it a nice boil. Once you get a nice boil, add all the fried semolina little by little so that there are no lumps formed, and you allow it to cook it on lower flame or simmer flame just for 1 minute. After 1 minute, this will be the texture you will get. Now this is the perfect consistency. The suji or semolina is almost 80% cooked. Now add half a cup of sugar. Now for 1 cup of suji or semolina, you need to add half a cup of sugar. Now see, it has become a little bit waterier consistency. This is the perfect one. Add a little bit of cardamom powder or ilachi powder, and for orange color, that is in the flag color, saffron color, you need to add orange color. Just mix it in the water and then give it a nice stir like this. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and that's it. You're done with your orange layer. So take a bowl and grease it with ghee perfectly to all the sides, edges and all, and then add the orange color little by little. See that there are no air gaps or air bubbles, and then dab it nicely and gently, and that's it. You're done with your orange color. Now for the white color in the middle, prepare in the same way as the orange one. That is, for 1 cup, you need 1 cup of suji or semolina. Fry it till golden brown color and add 2.5 cups of water and boil it, and then add half a cup of sugar, and that's it. Your white layer is all done. After that, the same process with the green layer also. Fry 1 cup of suji or semolina and add 2.5 cups of water. Give it a nice boil. Stir it nicely without any lumps formed, and then add green color and half a cup of sugar, and that's it. You're done with your green layer also. Now all these 3 layers are perfectly cooked. For each layer, it will take at least 7 to 10 minutes time for preparing. So at the same time, the layers are also getting cooled. So that is the perfect timing for us to prepare the second layer or the third layer. Now once you're done with the green layer also, add a little bit of ghee and dab nicely without any air bubbles are there in the layers, and then dab it gently like this, and then spread it nicely. Allow it to cool for half an hour. Do not add more ghee on top of it or between the layers, because if you add more ghee, there are chances that the layers doesn't stick to them properly. It will get separated. Now that's it. After half an hour, when you demold it, you will get a perfect Tricolorrava Kesari. Not only it is attractive to see, but also very sweet and delicious for eating. It's so yummy and delicious. You can enjoy this Tricolorrava Kesari this Independence Day. For me, a little bit of orange, white and green layers are left over, so I didn't waste it. I have again added into a round bowl, and I have prepared this also. So you can prepare it any shape, but enjoy this Tricolorrava Kesari this season, and also you can impress your family members or your friends or your colleagues. Now don't miss to try this. Surely give it a try this Independence Day and enjoy the freedom. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare tri-colored idlis. I have already prepared colored idlis, that is pink idli, orange idli and green idli. This is the season of independence and we have entered August. So let us all prepare the simple tri-color idlis and at home itself and enjoy with our families. So all we need is carrots over here. Here I have taken 3 carrots. So first peel them and then wash them and then cut into pieces and add it into the blender and make it into a puree. And again here I have taken amaranthus. So clean all the leaves with water and then chop it and then add it into blender and make it a puree. So here I have made carrot puree over here. Do not add much water into it, remember, otherwise it will become pouring consistency. So don't add much water but blend it with little amount of water. The same with the amaranthus also. It will be a little bit coarsey in nature. Do not add much water, let it be in the same manner. So here I have taken idli batter. I have added 3 scoops of idli batter into it. So for 4 idlis this is enough. So you can check your quantity of how many idlis you're taking and you can add it accordingly. So here I have added 3 tablespoons of carrot puree first and then I have given it a mix. Earlier when I have prepared colored idlis, in that orange with the carrot idli, I didn't add any color over there because those carrots, they have given nice color, but here irrespective of adding the quantity of the puree, we didn't get any color. So I have added a very little bit of color over here. It's optional. If you want to add, you can add it, otherwise no. But if you don't get any color, do not add much puree into it. If you add more puree into it, your idlis will not become spongy or fluffy, but they'll become into a watery consistency and paste in manner. So here my orange idli batter is ready. So I have taken this idli plate If you like to grease it with oil or butter or ghee, you can, but I skip this step. I don't grease them. So I have added all the orange idli batter into this plate and I have put it aside. Now for saffron color is done. Now for the white idlis, that's the normal plain idli batter only. So add into the idli plate again and then put that also aside. Remember, according to the season you get these carrots, so if your carrots give nice color, do not add color into it again. So for the green idlis, I have added 3 scoops of idli batter into it, and then I have added 2 tablespoons of amaranthus. You don't need to add green color into it because amaranthus itself, it emits nice color out of it. That is very natural and that is very healthy also. So see, your green idli batter is also ready. Now take the idli plate and then add all the idli batter into it. So our green idli batter is also ready. So place all these idli plates into the steamer, into the idli cooker, and then just give it nice steam for 5 to 7 minutes, and that's it. Your idlis are all ready. Tricolor idlis are ready. So here first goes my saffron idlis. See how fluffy and how spongy they are. You can serve them with any chutney of your choice, mostly preferably coconut chutney or tomato chutney or peanut chutney or coriander chutney. You know, whatever taste you like, you can serve it with your choice. So here comes my tricolor idlis. So serve it hot with your family and enjoy, and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Till then, bye bye. Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare tricolor cupcakes. Yes, on this occasion of Independence Day, let us all celebrate with these sweet and yummy tricolor cupcakes. So while let us start. Take a mixing bowl and add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Remember, it should be at room temperature. And then add 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. This measurement I am going to follow till the end. So see, this is the cup I am going to use it. So please see about the measurements. Now after taking that, I have taken 1 full cup of lukewarm milk over here, and then mix it nicely, and then add vanilla essence to it, just a pinch, that is 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence, and then give it a nice stir, and then transfer this to the mixer jar and then blend it nicely into a thick consistency like this, and then place a sieve on top of it and add 1.5 cup of maida. First I have added only 1 cup, that is all purpose flour, and then a pinch of baking powder, and then a half a pinch of baking powder. That's it. Sorry, half a pinch of baking soda and then a pinch of baking powder, I'm sorry, and then after giving it a nice stir, add the remaining half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and then give it a nice stir. Remember, it should not be in pouring consistency, that is like water, but it should be in dropping consistency. Now take an appam pan, or else if you don't have it, no worries. Take this chutney katoris or bowls, and then place your cake molds on top of it, and then drop all the batter inside it. So once you fill all those cupcake molds, now dab it nicely so that you are rid of the air bubbles inside the cupcake molds. Now add some sprinklers or tutti frutti on top of it, and that's it. Your cupcakes are ready to bake. Now on the other hand, take a pan and then preheat it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, once your pan is heated, now place a stand and place this appam pan with the cupcake molds on it, and close the lid and bake it for 5 minutes on high flame and 15 minutes on low flame. You can see the difference over here. See nicely, in the beginning you will get these bubbles and then it start oozing out, and then see it's nicely baked and it's all fluffy and spongy. Now our cupcakes are ready. On the other hand, for the icing, I have taken 3 bowls of whipping cream, and then I have added saffron color, left the white in the same manner, and then I have added green color for the remaining bowl. So how to prepare whipping cream at home itself, and that too with the help of mixie jar without electric beater, I have shown you in the given video, previous video. Please go and check it. It's very easy and simple. Now my saffron color is ready. Now it's time for white color. White is done, and now green color. Mix it nicely so that all the color is added. Here I have taken liquid colors only. Please remember, if you don't have it, take so take other colors also, food colors, and then add a little bit of water and mix it, so that will be your colors. And then here I have taken my icing bag, and then I have placed on top of a glass, and then see, nicely I have placed it, and then I'm adding this saffron color into it, saffron color whipping cream into it. That's it. Now put that bowl aside, and then slowly you allow the cream to drop. So gently if you squeeze, the cream will go down, and that's it. You put this orange color aside, and same with the white color also, and also with the green color. So repeat this process for all the 3 colors, and then place these 3 into the fridge or freezer just for 4 to 5 minutes. Once we are done with our cupcakes, see here our cupcakes are ready. They are so fluffy and spongy. Now once our cupcakes are ready, then only take out your icing bags out of the refrigerator. Now see, gently you just make a design over here. Here I have circled it. You can do anything of your choice. So first goes our green color, and next comes our white color. See, I'm not adding too much of cream on it, because both cream and the cake should be in equal portions only. That is how we can enjoy our cupcake. If either of it is too much, we just can't enjoy this. So then goes our orange color. So this is the time where many of us can't go to schools and enjoy, mostly kids. But in our apartments or in our community, gated communities, we do celebrate and we do have this flag hoisting program, right? So at that time you prepare and give it to kids. They'll truly enjoy. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.